You're amazing.
Do you like it? Do you think it
I
turned
love
out?
it. It looks great. And it's a break from the norm, but it is a good thing to be able to knock out some of the projects that have just been around the house that we've ignored for a while. So it's kind of nice to do.
Before we do what?
Before we get in a trailer and go cross country!
We are going to be removing wallpaper. I've had it for about 13 years and we want it to go away. And now that we are covered in plastic, we are going to go ahead and score the walls using these guys. They've got little sharp spurs on them and go around in a circle on the wall, and then you can penetrate it with the product that will then remove the wallpaper. Scraping the walls. We've got quite a bit to go, but it's starting to look pretty good, so pretty excited. I'm gonna work on it this morning by myself, and when the kids are done with school, they're gonna help me out, and hopefully we get this all ripped off and we can start cleaning it up and painting, patching, and all that stuff. So stay tuned, see how we do. All right, change of plans. That right there took me about an hour. So we're getting a steamer. This part right here took 1 hour to do. This part right here took about 10 minutes. 10. Gotta use a steamer. Today's day 3. The steamer took off a ton, and now we just have the little tiny bits to scrape off. We can start in on patching some of the wall and then painting the whole thing. So check it out. What was the most difficult part?
Getting the little tiny scraps of the glue off the wall.
Yes. What was the best tool of all the tools we used?
My fingernail.
Your fingernail?
Yeah.
Really?
I used it to peel off the wallpaper.
Nice. Today is day 4. Sand, oil-based primer, then going right into the paint. So, check it out. wallpaper down, glue down, kids help. The whole thing costs $50, and I just think that it needs one little thing. So let's go to that real quick, and we'll see how we fix one more little thing.
Couple details.
We have a couple more things here, and I think it's quicker just to go like this. There we go. Hope you like it. We finished up, wallpaper's down, put the paint on the wall, and now we're just gonna add a couple little details. There we go. That's much better. This sign Lisa made, which was pretty cool, and yeah, I think everything looks good and all done. Hey, loud McLeod pants. I'm shooting a video here.
Oh.